Okay guys, so picture this. You want to go out, but you are late. You don't have enough time to do a full makeup look. What do? Yeah, I know, it's hectic. So here I'm just going to show you like 5 minutes how you can apply both your foundation and powder and still nail out and go out there and flex with your simple makeup. Okay guys, so I have my Vaseline here. I'm going to use it as a base. I don't have my primer. So if you do not have primer, you can use Vaseline as your base to make sure that your foundation and your powder, they last longer. So I'm just gonna apply it here. You don't have to put too much, just a little bit here. Okay, and you're done. Then I take my foundation of my shade, obviously. I'm pretty sure by now you now know that you have to use foundation or concealer of your shade to make it easy for you to blend out. So this is the easiest way for me that I use when I apply my foundation. Just put dots everywhere, right? Then I take my, I think it's called a sponge. Okay, my cotton pad, yeah, that's the name. And I just start more of like dabbing it on my skin. Remember, we want to reach 5 minutes. Well, I know with makeup you need to take your time. So 5 minutes will be enough for all of us to blend out our foundation. And please don't forget to also blend out your neck. Yeah, a lot of people forget that. You need to also apply some foundation and powder on your neck so that it just looks one, like the face is lighter than your neck. Doesn't look professional. Okay, then we go to the forehead here. And please remember, you need to do it gently because you might end up rubbing off your eyebrows. Right, so I just love like folding it here so that I apply more powder in between my brows. Okay. So here, our foundation, we are done. Now we just take our powder and my brush here. Let's not forget the neck, people, the neck. And don't put too much product as well, else you might end up looking like a ghost. We wouldn't want that. And one other thing is, as you saw earlier on, all the excess concealer that was on my eye, I kindly dabbed it in on my eyelids. So you see, time save. And done. See? Now just a small, maybe just need to apply lipstick. You don't want to apply too much. Okay, so here. If you love your glosses, maybe after applying this pink shade, you can apply your colorless gloss. So I prefer it like that, and we're done. Good to go out. That's the end of our video. So you see, you can do your makeup in 5 minutes. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Until we meet again, it's your girl Vanessa.